God.
Hello everyone, I'm back with another K-pop makeup tutorial to show you guys. This time I'm gonna be showing you a makeup tutorial inspired by GIDLE Oh my god Shuhua makeup look. I hope you enjoyed and let's get started. I'm gonna start with the base makeup first. Now I'm gonna contour my face. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm gonna apply an orangey coral color. And a brown color. And the key point of this makeup is the sparkle and jewels on top of the eyelids. For blushing cheeks effect, I'm gonna use this lipstick as a blusher. Last, for the lips, I'm gonna mix two colors to create a red blood lips. And the makeup is done. That's it for this tutorial. If you like this makeup tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!